Looks like a dead zone. Morning everybody. It's another beautiful day for a ride. I'm leaving Kalambaka just underneath the Meteora monastery over there. I had a nice view from the terrace at the rocks behind me. Now it's probably about 14 degrees Celsius. I think it's gonna get a bit warmer during the day. Today I'm heading south through the Corinth Channel. It's gonna take me a few hours to get there. Let's hit the road. Let's go. I'm getting into some mountains, so there will be some twisty roads. I hope. I see some on my phone, so let's hope so. That's cotton. I didn't know that they do produce cotton over here in Greece. I've been seeing quite a lot of fields with it, but now it's the most pleasant part of the ride. And the views did change a lot. I was seeing the mountains from quite a distance. Now I can see them up close. That's what I was going through for the last 1.5 hours. Nice church. My ears are blocked. I didn't hear myself. My phone is dead. I forgot to plug it in. Hello Doggo. I'm just lying over here. Having a good day? So do I. But I have to plug my phone. Yep. Hope it's gonna work for now. Okay, let's go. See you next time. There's quite a lot of speed cameras on this road. I don't know if they are working or not. They look a bit old, but who knows. Each time I see one I do slow down, but don't know what's the speed limit over here. I think it's 90. Another nice view. And I thought that it's gonna be boring day on the road, on the flat plains in Greece, just the straight parts of the road, but it changed to this. Quite nice. There's a lake over there. I thought it was a lake, but that's actually a part of the sea. It's a bay. From the mountains it looked like a lake, but it's a sea bay. They do have got really nice roads over here. The color of the ground did change a bit. Down there was mostly beige and brown in the forest in Bulgaria. Now it's reddish. That's tobacco. I've seen many ruins, mostly ruins of businesses that did bankrupt during the crisis here in Greece. This is the first older thing that I see on the way. Very nice looking chapel in the middle of nowhere. Here we go, one more time into the mountains. Was a big fire over here. Whole side of the mountain is left with some burnt trees. I think that was all burned out. You can see all the black trees on the sides of the mountains. There was a big fire over here. Look at the difference over here and over here. Lush green, black. Occupants left their houses because I don't see anything over here. This one is left too. I can see how forest fire did influence the area. Grass and the bushes will grow up very quickly, but it's gonna take some time for the trees to grow back over here. Looks like a dead zone. GPS brought me to this road and I'm very pleased with that. A very small local road, not far away from my destination. On the other side there was a big forest fire, but here everything looks lush and very healthy. And we've got some big rock formations over here. Mountains actually. Well, I thought today's ride gonna be a boring, mostly on the flat plains of Greece. And here we go, such a gem. And then we've got a coast over there. I've got 45 kilometers to Corinth Channel. I hope there is some viewing point over the channel. And then gonna go further down the peninsula. Oh, now it's an island actually. Just connected through the bridge. Oh, two. Or three. I don't know how many bridges there are. Now you can see the coast clearly. Look at the color of the sea. Everyone's taking the motorway that goes on the other side of the mountain, and this road is almost empty. Cool. But there's one thing, it's getting boiling hot. What a road. You've got sea view on your left side, you've got mountain view on your right side. What else do they need? Yeah, good tarmac. That's here too. To go through the channel. Channel starts somewhere over there. Got the entry to the channel over there. Oh, there's a bridge on the beginning of the channel. Oh wow. Look at that. That's how the entrance to the channel looks like. We're going along the channel, and maybe I'll be able to see it from above, but there's some road works around here, so I couldn't go over there. Maybe I'm gonna try it from this side. I'm gonna stop somewhere over there. Oh, there's a ship coming. They did have to put a lot of effort to dig this channel. Don't spit on the sailors. It's getting crowded over here. So that was the Corinthian Channel and a lot of German bikers. Now it's time to head towards my quarters for the night. Yeah, prices aren't so bad here in Greece after the holiday season. Especially if you don't expect any luxury treatment. I just need a room for a night. It's around 20 euros per night, so it's quite decent. Sometimes it's less, depends on the location. There was a petrol station on the way, so I filled up for tomorrow, but I like the range of the donkey because I started today and I had to go to the Corinthian Channel, 374 kilometers. I came there and I'd still have the range of 102 kilometers, well over 400 kilometers of range on a full tank. That's a nice achievement. I'm gonna go in the mountains tomorrow, so I'm gonna take the regular road today. Maybe find myself a supermarket or something like that on the way. Do some groceries. Fire department? What happened? Whoa, what happened here? How did that happen? On a straight road. Oh, as they say, happens. They had a fire here too. That's a pity. So many trees were burned. I think I'm going somewhere over there. Yeah, really, the last part of the road is quite something. I'm in a town called Epidauros. And that's how it looks from a small peninsula nearby. And there's plenty of lime and olive trees. I'm staying somewhere over there. These are the ruins of the ancient theatre that was once here. Unfortunately, I cannot enter. It isn't open to public because the gate is locked. I think it's open just for some local happenings. Got one bay over there, and the other bay is somewhere over there. The theatre dates till the 3rd century BC. Epidauros was one of the leading cultural places in that era, same as Athens and some other cities in Greece. Now it's a very small town. with very narrow streets I'm gonna show you in a while. This is the part with the other buildings. Alright. That's the last view of the day. I thought today is gonna be a boring day on the road, but it seems that it wasn't. I did pass a few mountain ranges with some twisty roads on the way. Seen the Corinth Channel, the entrance, and from above, from the bridge above, I saw they pulled the ship through the channel. It's a very narrow strip of water down there. So overall it was a very nice day on the road. And now I've landed in the town of Epidreus and I'm gonna finish it up for today. So if you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and do subscribe down below. See you next time.